Here are we as Charlie Kirk set the record straight as he debates a college student who claims that Biden secured the border. And then when we get down to the video, we are going to hear the response Charlie Kirk gave to the students. So let's get down to this video and check out the response Charlie Kirk gave to the students.
Which one was managing the border better?
I think Joe Biden. I will justify that. I will justify it.
Please.
Economically, when an immigrant comes to this country, even an illegal immigrant, even someone who does not have high-level, high-earning skills, they contribute more to the economy as a whole than they take away. They contribute to fixed expenses like the military. They provide more into social benefits than they take. And if we're talking about issues with like job scarcity, what we actually have is an issue with job distribution and the way our systems are set up to take advantage of poor working class Americans.
So do you believe in borders at all?
I believe that practically, yes. I believe that there does need to be major reform in the way we deal with borders.
I just want to make sure you understand. How many people do you think are coming across the border every day?
I do not have the exact numbers on that, but I think it's a reasonable amount. I'd probably say in the thousands, tens of thousands.
Yeah, 10 to 15,000 a day. So to put that annualized, that's 3.65 million a year minimum.
Sure.
Right? That is the population more than some U.S. states. You're saying it's all a benefit. First of all, tell that to the family of Lake and Riley, okay? Secondly, I asked you a question. Who is managing the border better? We don't have a border under Biden. You arrive, you're in. We've gotten rid of DNA testing.
That is just not true.
Hold on a second. How many people are being turned away at the border? Are we doing DNA testing, background checks?
But you mean like turned away at the border? Lots of people are turned away in the border, immigrating to the U.S. legally. Like the majority of people who don't have visas.
If you show up in Ciudad Juarez at the other side of El Paso and you claim asylum, welcome, buddy. You get a free ticket to the interior United States, cell phone, benefits, social security number, and you are now in the United States of America despite breaking the laws. And that's fine. We just have a different opinion on this. I find it so interesting of someone who's trying to like justify the breaking coming into our country and the breaking of our laws, but you have a right to that opinion. So.
No. I don't think it's an opinion. I don't necessarily know like where you're getting these statistics, but I don't think Joe Biden is just like, come on in. Like everyone's opened the border.
No, he absolutely did that.
No, he has not. He has not been like that.
Yes, he has.
And more than that, what actually we need when we're talking about immigration reform, we need to make immigration more accessible for legal immigration.
Now, how about this? Or we need to put our own U.S. citizens first ahead of foreigners. Yeah? Isn't the whole idea of a government that the citizens of the country should come above the citizens of another country?
United States citizens, we are immigrants.
Hold on, no, hold on a second. Some are immigrants here. Some are descendants of settlers. Settlers and immigrants are two different things. Settlers come to a barren land and build something new. Immigrants come to a country that's already built. Yeah, barren. Like, okay. I don't know, Plymouth Rock.
Okay, I won't get into that. You know what? I'll let more questions get.
I appreciate the clarity.
That's a very interesting one. Actually, listening to the students debating Charlie Kirk on the issue of the border, on who managed the border very well, and then looking at the numbers that Charlie Kirk, was giving. In this very video, saying that over 10 to 15,000 people are getting into the country every day through the border. See, have you times the number in a month and then see how much number of people are entering the country illegally. This has been a problem for many European countries. If you look at these issues of immigration, looking at the economy, then you definitely get it, very wrong. So for how long, will they keep on, making people, getting there and then creating a lot of security issues, creating a lot of problems, causing the unemployment, that we are talking about. The truth about it is, it will always be what America faces, and that's exactly the message that President Donald J. Trump, have been advocating for a while now, because you cannot make the border, very porous, and then the job that is meant for the people, of course, it will be taken away from them. So how did you expect, such people, to survive if you keep on, doing such a thing? And it's because of some of those things. That is why you see, currently, I don't even think that, people, tend to fear America. But this kind of things, was not happening during President Donald J. Trump. During Trump, you understand, you will not see any world leader, you understand, try to start a war or trying to do anything in detriment of the United States. But in this very administration led by Joe Biden, you see, you understand, Russia were able to invade, you understand, Ukraine. You could see, you understand, what that is happening between Hamas and Israel. Same thing, you understand, with Iran. All these things, you understand, are not happening. And then we are not hearing, you understand, Iran, in a sense, supporting all those Hezbollah and all those things, Hamas and the rest of these terrorist, in a sense, organizations. But then some of these things, in a sense, are currently happening in this Joe Biden administration, thanks to the letter he just sent barely 24 hours ago to step down from the presidential race. I believe that is actually a clear road for Trump to just win the election and then to make America great again. Because if you look at it, in a sense, why should we keep looking at, in a sense, this open border as an economic thing, whereas we know that this come with a lot of, in a sense, problems when it comes to what the security of the people? Because first of all, you need to be safe first before we can even talk about, you understand, the economy. Now the people are not safe, and if this number, you understand, keep increasing, what do you think, you understand, will happen to the American, you understand, citizen? And then that is why Trump, you understand, is coming with this message of what, making America great. And then that is the reason why we have to support him in order for him to go back to the White House, in order for him to change some of this narrative of what is currently happening all over the world. I know that a lot of you have their own opinion concerning this, and I want you to drop it at the comment section, and may God bless you as you do so. So this is the end of my video. If you like my reaction, you should like, share and subscribe. If you have any video you want me to react to, don't forget to drop it at the comment section, and I'm going to check it out. So you remain blessed, and I see you in my next video. Bye bye.